Ignite your life passion meets profession. Are you ready to jump out of bed every morning excited to dive into your work? Imagine a career that doesn't feel like work because it aligns perfectly with your passions. In 2025, turning your passion into a profitable career is more achievable than ever before. It's time to bridge the gap between what you love and how you earn a living. Let's explore how to make this dream a reality. The why fueling fulfillment and success. Imagine spending 40 hours a week, year after year, engaged in work that drains your energy and leaves you feeling unfulfilled. This is a reality for many people who find themselves stuck in jobs that don't resonate with their true selves. Now, picture a life where your career is an extension of your passions, a source of joy and inspiration. Imagine waking up every morning excited to start your day, knowing that your work is meaningful and aligns with your personal values. When you're passionate about your work, you naturally bring more energy, creativity, and resilience to the table. This passion fuels your drive and determination, making challenges seem like opportunities rather than obstacles. This leads to greater job satisfaction, higher productivity, and ultimately, a more fulfilling life. You become more engaged, more innovative, and more committed to your goals. Aligning your career with your passion is a powerful recipe for success. It's not just about making a living, it's about making a life. It's about finding that sweet spot where your skills and interests intersect with a real need in the world. This alignment creates a synergy that propels you forward, helping you achieve not just professional success, but personal fulfillment as well. Maria's journey, from passionate reader to published author. Let's meet Maria, a woman whose love for children's literature has shaped her life in the most extraordinary ways. A lifelong lover of children's literature, Maria's fascination with stories began at a very young age. She would spend hours in her cozy reading nook, surrounded by her favorite books, completely immersed in the magical worlds they offered. Maria spent countless bedtime hours lost in magical stories, her imagination running wild with every turn of the page. These stories were not just a pastime, they were a source of inspiration and comfort, fueling her dreams and aspirations. She dreamed of sharing her own tales with the world, but worked as a graphic designer, a career she found creatively stifling. Despite her talent in design, Maria felt a persistent longing to create something more personal and meaningful. Inspired by online writing communities and self-publishing platforms, Maria decided to take a leap of faith. She spent countless hours researching and connecting with other writers, learning the ins and outs of the publishing world. She carved out time each evening to write, pouring her heart into crafting enchanting stories for young readers. With a cup of tea by her side and fairy lights illuminating her workspace, Maria's creativity flourished. After months of dedicated effort, Maria self-published her first book. The moment she held the freshly printed copy in her hands was a dream come true, a testament to her hard work and determination. It garnered positive reviews and caught the attention of a literary agent. The feedback from readers was overwhelmingly positive, and soon, Maria found herself in discussions with a literary agent who saw great potential in her work. Now, Maria is a successful children's book author, living proof that passion, combined with action, can lead to incredible outcomes. She regularly attends book signings and reads to children at bookstores, sharing her love for stories with the next generation. So, how do you identify your passions? Start by reflecting on activities that bring you joy. Think about the moments when you feel most alive and engaged, and make time fly by. What are you naturally drawn to? Consider the hobbies and interests that you lose yourself in, the ones that make you forget to check the time. What topics could you discuss for hours? Think about the subjects that light up your conversations and the ideas that you can't stop thinking about. Once you've pinpointed your passions, it's time to explore their market potential. Research online platforms, read articles, and watch videos related to your interests. Dive deep into the communities that share your passion. Connect with people in your areas of interest, attend events, join online forums, and seek out mentors who can guide you. Networking is crucial in understanding the landscape of your passion. Brainstorm creative ways to monetize your skills. Think outside the box and consider various avenues. Remember, your passion doesn't have to be your traditional 9-to-5. It could be a side hustle, a freelance gig, or a part-time project that you work on during weekends, or even a social enterprise that aims to make a difference. The key is to find a way to share your unique talents and interests with the world in a way that is both personally fulfilling and financially sustainable. Embrace the journey of turning your passion into a reality and enjoy every step of the way. Turning your passion into a profitable career requires a strategic approach. Start by setting clear, actionable goals using the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make the journey feel less daunting and more achievable. Next, create a plan to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge. Take online courses, attend workshops, or seek mentorship from experts in your field. Building a strong foundation will increase your confidence and credibility as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey.